This is one of very special card kits. They were made in Germany. Do not be put off by the German words that you see here because they are not included. They make really beautiful cards, and I just wanted you to see the finished examples before I go into the instructions. Now, what you're seeing is a card that is held together with a ribbon. You do need to supply your own ribbon. Fortunately, at Paper Wishes, we have that for you. And you can see a piece of art here and here. There's another one on the inside of the card. This will make 6 different cards. Just to give you the distance that this has traveled, these were created and manufactured in Germany. We got them from our distributor in Canada to bring them to you here in the US. And they are lovely. On the inside, all in English, are instructions for making them, so that's really nice. And then again, a really nice close-up of all 6 of the cards. Now, you're also getting these die-cut pieces. They just pop right out, and this is going to be the art on the side of the card. So as you can see, you're getting several of them. And then you're going to get these papers. These are called the backing papers. And it tells you this is on the left front, this is on the right front, and this is in the middle of your card. So really beautiful. Isn't that artwork gorgeous? That's why we love these so much. They are each one very different. They are each one absolutely gorgeous. And if you wanted to, you can stretch these a bit too by maybe using this on another card, and then you get 12 cards out of it. That's not a bad idea. Now, in addition to these, you are also getting, so pretty, you're also getting the cardstock. Now, the cardstock has been die cut, and you can see these little flaps. That's what's going to come together as they are folded. And they're scored for you. And as you can see, there's little holes there punched to do the ribbon. So one piece of that paper goes here, another piece goes here, another goes in here if you elect to do that, or you could do something else on the inside. Now, they've also included some of the foam tabs, so there's 400 there. And there's also some peel-offs, so some borders and some corners to add a little bit more interest. And you also get the envelopes to fit your cards, and your cards are a generous size. So everything is together, and I can guarantee you, you will not see cards like this again. They are just exquisite.